If you're wondering how to add travelers to a company profile in Navan, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can get your team onboarded and ready to book travel seamlessly in Navan. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make adding travelers to your company profile a breeze. So let's dive in. First, head over to your company profile on the Navan dashboard. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and log in to your account. You should see the main page where all your company's travel-related data is displayed. From here, look for the Team section in the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage users and their travel preferences. Now, to add a new traveler, simply click on the Add Traveler button. A pop-up window will appear asking you for some basic information about the traveler you want to add. Fill in the name, email, and role of the traveler within the company. You can also customize the traveler's preferences, such as preferred seating, meal options, and any special requirements for their trips. This helps streamline their future travel experiences. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Save button. The traveler will now be added to the company profile, and their information will be saved securely in the system. You can repeat this process for as many travelers as you need to add, ensuring that everyone is set up for easy booking. In case you need to make any updates, like changing travel preferences or removing a traveler from the profile, simply go back to the Team section. You can click on a traveler's name to open their details, where you can make any necessary changes. If you want to remove someone, just click on the Remove button next to their name, and they'll be deleted from the profile. Navan makes it super easy to manage travelers in one central place. With just a few clicks, you're all set to ensure that everyone's travel details are synced across your company profile, helping you save time when booking trips and managing itineraries. It's that simple. Add travelers to your company profile in Navan quickly and efficiently, and make your team's travel experience smoother. If you're still new to Navan, don't worry. You can try out the software completely free with our exclusive bonuses using the link in the description below. Plus, don't forget that by using our link, you get an extended free trial to explore more of what Navan has to offer. So go ahead, try it out, and see how it can optimize your company's travel management. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other videos we've put together on using Navan more effectively.